So now in this section we will see the taxonomy of machine learning algorithm. So the machine learning is a subfield of computer science, a type of artificial intelligence that provides the machines with the ability to learn without the explicit programming. Machine learning evolved from pattern recognition and computational learning theory. There are some essential concepts of machine learning are there, like which are frequently used for algorithms and analysis. That is, we have seen many times, that is supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement. So if it is supervised, then we are having the training set and samples. If it is unsupervised, we are not having the any particular training set. And if reinforcement is there, then that deals with the problem of learning the appropriate action or sequence of actions to be taken. So focus is on supervised and unsupervised learning because they are widely applied in IoT smart data analysis. The objective of supervised learning is to learn to how to predict the appropriate output from the input. Applications where the target label is finite number of discrete categories are known as classification tasks. Cases where the target label is composed of one or more continuous variables are known as regression. So defining the objective of unsupervised learning is very difficult. One of the major objectives is to identify the sensible clusters of similar samples within the input data, which is known as clustering, we have seen. Moreover, the objective may be discovery of a useful internal representation for the input data by pre-processing the input. For that we have to pre-process the data so that we can transfer it into the new variable space. The pre-processing stage can significantly improve the result of the algorithm, which is also called as feature extraction. The frequently applied machine learning algorithms are actually tabulated in the table. We can see the overview of frequently used machine learning algorithms for smart data analysis. So if it is KNN, then the classification tasks are there. If it is Navy Bayes algorithm, classification is there. SVM, data processing task, is classification. For linear regression, it is regression. For random forest, it is classification or regression. For one support class, it is anomaly detection. For bagging, it is classification and regression. For PCA, it is feature extraction because we are extracting the features. For CCA, it is feature extraction. And for FFNN, that is nothing but the feed forward neural network, it is classification and regression. All these concepts we have seen in our last 4 units. So all these are the machine learning algorithms which are very widely used for the data processing tasks as classification, regression, anomaly detection, clustering, feature extraction and so on. So this is all about the overview of frequently used machine learning algorithm for smart data analysis. In our next section, we will see the research trends and open issues. Thank you.